Myself, S. Pragadiswaran, and our batchmates are T.S. Sivanesan and G. Arvind. Our project title is an underground drainage monitoring and automatic salvage system using Internet of Things. The main objective of the project is to develop such a device which would monitor the health and the person or worker entering the sewage and provide the health parameter in the real life to the official outside on or the control room. Working principle: the main components of the system and the Arduino controller, the sensor like toxic gas sensor, methane gas sensor, and the ultrasonic sensor are used in the proposed system. When drainage is full, to find from the ultrasonic sensor, information will send through the IOT technology. In our kit, we are using three types of sensor: gas sensor, ultrasonic sensor, temperature sensor. Now we are going to discuss about the gas sensor. A gas detector is a device that detects the presence of a gas area after the part of a safety system. This type of equipment used to detect the gas leak or interface with the control system of a process can be automatically shut down. A gas detector can sound the alarm to the operator to the area of the leak of the occurring, giving them the opportunity to leave. Next we are going to see about the ultrasonic sensor. The HEC SR04 ultrasonic sensor user sonar to determine distance of the object. It offers excellent range accuracy to stable reading. It's easy to use of the package. Finally, we are going to see about the temperature sensor. The DHD11 is a basic ultra low cost digital temperature and the humidity sensor. Uses a capacity humidity sensor and a thermistor to measure the surrounding air and spits out the digital signal on the data pin. No analog input needed. It's fairly simple to use but requires careful timing to grab data. And the another specification is Node MCU. The Node MCU is the Wi-Fi equivalent of the Ethernet model. It combines the features of Wi-Fi access point and station plus microcontroller. These features makes the Node MCU extremely powerful tool to Wi-Fi networking. It can be used as a point or a station, host to the web server or connected to internet of fetch or upload data. And next, this is a power supply. Power supply is a reference to a source of electrical power, a device or system that supplies electrical or other types of energy to an output load or group loads is called as a power supply unit or PSU. The main specification of our kit is Arduino Atmega 328P. The Arduino is an open source of prototyping platform that based to easy to use the hardware or software. Arduino boards are able to read input and light or a sensor on the finger button or a Twitter message. It turns into output activating motor, turning a LED publishing sometime online. You call till you board what you are sending a send instruction to the microcontroller on the board. To do so, use the Arduino programming language based on the wiring, and the Arduino software IDE is based on processing. Buzzer or beeper is the audio signaling device which may be mechanical and electromechanical or piezoelectric. Typical uses of buzzer or beeper include alarm devices, timer, and confirmation of user input such as a mouse click or keystroke. And another important specification of our project is panic button. A panic button switch is a small sealed mechanism that completes an electrical circuit when you press on it. When it on, a small metal spring inside makes a contact which two wires allowing electricity to flow. When it off, the spring retract contact it interrupt on current would not flow. The control round contained rectangular containing given text. The text is centered in the control. The control sends a message into the parent whenever the user chooses the control. Push button is normally open tactile.
Basically, our kit needs only 5 volt DC current, but outcome of our power supply gives 230 volt AC current. Step down transformer is used to converting 230 volt current into 12 volt current, and we are using power supply of bridge rectifier, capacitor filter and regulator, and also a regulation of currents, which is a bridge rectifier is used to convert AC into DC current, and regulation is used to give constant current, and capacitor filter is used to fixing the base biasing. And outcome of our power supply gives constantly 5 volt DC current to the Atmega 328P Arduino Uno board, and we are using 3 km sensors, ultrasonic sensor and gas sensor and also temperature sensor. When a panic gas or smoke that is detected from the gas sensor, when the gas sensor meets high threshold value means the gas sensor detects and also shows the value of gas sensor highest value, and also gives a message to the phone of IoT model. And also same here temperature sensor, when temperature sensor have high threshold voltage, then gives the message to the LCD display and also in IoT model. And ultrasonic also same also. They have when water level increases above the threshold value, then automatically gives the information of LCD display and also in IoT app development. Now we going to show our practical explanation of our project. When the gas sensor reaches the more smoke, and also in sewage systems we have methane and toxic gases are mixed with together, and when smoke is high to the smoke gas sensor automatically gives message to the LCD display gas high panic, and also gives message to the municipality authorities peoples. With the use of IoT model, an important features of our project kit is when the people's working under the sewage system, when the panic button is here, when most difficult situation applied to the sewage, we are automatically apply the panic button and automatically gives a beeper sound and also helps the people to safely recover from the sewage and also get out from the sewage, and also he recover from the sewage, and the beeper sound continually ringing inside the sewage, and also the beep sound helps the people to run out from the sewage, and also message conveyed to the peoples who are inside in the sewage houses. When ultrasonic sensor reaches the above threshold value, then automatically shows in the LCD display and also gives alerting to the message of IoT model whether installed in our phone, and also gives message to the municipality authorities. Practically we shows that the temperature sensor, when the temperature is high on the temperature sensor, then automatically shows the temperature increasing on the LCD display and also going to the message for municipality authorities and also IoT model app development. Now we go to the practical procedure for gas sensor. When the gas sensor reaches above the threshold value, then automatically shows the LCD display gas high panic and also gives message to the IoT model. Then also indication of uses the panic red color message for gas sensor and also gives message to the municipality authorities to protect the civil workers from the sewage drainage people. In emergency situation, we can use the panic button to automatic control over the peoples who are inside in the sewage system. Panic button when presses and also gives message to the municipal authorities and also where the IoT model installed in your phones. Finally, we going to hold the practical explanation and a procedure for ultrasonic sensor. When the ultrasonic sensor reaches the high threshold value of water level, then automatically shows the high threshold value and also panic messages gives to the LCD display and also gives to the municipal authorities and gives message to the IoT model. These all specifications involved in our project, and our project main motive is to help the sewage workers where inside in the sewage, whether the gas sensor and also ultrasonic sensor and temperature sensor used to detect the sensing of air, gas and also water level sensing, and when the higher level of threshold value reaches the high level of sensing materials, then gives alerting messages to the municipal authorities and also gives a normal message to the people who are inside in the sewage, and also gives alerting by using the panic button. Thank you.